Yes, so we are here again, this time around with something different, something special, all from V's Kitchen. Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be having a special recipe on how to prepare chicken. The first thing I do is to put the chicken into a bowl. Then I boil some water and pour it into the bowl of chicken. This is to help the chicken defrost and also to make the skin soft. I allow it in the water for 2 to 3 minutes. At this point, I begin to prepare the ingredients that are to be used in preparing the chicken. But from time to time, I check my chicken to see how it's doing. Once it's defrost, I pour the water out from the chicken and allow just the chicken in the bowl. And I begin taking out the skin from it. I do take out the skin from my chicken because it has a lot of fat and I really do not want fatty chicken or oily chicken once it's done. You could as well just allow the fatty part of it if you love it. I hope you enjoy this video. Watch till the end, like, share and comment below. What recipes do you use when you're preparing your chicken?